Alright guys, we're in severe thunderstorm warning still. Oh, we got hail. We got hail. I should have been smacked. I don't know if I got that camera, but there's some small hail probably.
Another program was just issued for Maritime County. There's a tornado on the ground right now southeast of Wausau. That's confirmed.
We're going to inspect this cell. We're going to get into the thick of it. Oh, me and Peter.
That says, it's starting to get turned around, y'all. It's an understatement. You've got an actual tornado on the ground right now. Just
I can't see it.
hopefully you're in the basement. Hopefully you're taking shelter because it's starting to get even more turned around.
There's definitely hail in here. I hear it on the windshield right now. I can't see anything on the ground, but it's definitely...
You can see a little bit better here. You see the rotation? That's this line up and you'll see it literally spinning there. This is about to produce a big tornado. Some of the score years.
We're gunning it. We're trying to get... Winds, I'd say about, yeah, I believe 60. They might do have 60 mile per hour winds, maybe 65.
On the south side of Kansas City, I can't say this enough, you got a very dangerous storm coming in.
I'm hauling butt a little bit myself.
This is going to be a battle.
The storm was tornado one earlier. I think now the main risk is damaging winds and hail.
It's not just the wind that we're concerned about.
You might see some bigger hail here in a second.
Tornadoes will be possible all up and down Interstate 35. So you guys need to be watching out and be taking shelter. Go ahead and take shelter again. You're not under a tornado warning, but you essentially are. Also, Kansas City, you guys are under a severe thunderstorm right now.
Oh yeah, we got hail. We got hail. Oh yeah. We're gonna park right here. We got like 40 size hail, I saw. The car is rocking. We are getting hammered in here. There was hail in it. I just don't know where the flick it all went. The car is rocking. We are getting hammered in here. It is. Oh, fuck. No. I think we should intercept again. I think we're gonna continue. Hold on. I don't know if that went through. We're still getting some winds.
It's the major repairs. Bauer, heavy duty guaranteed.
Don't mind that. What the heck?
This is Bill Chayton coming up for Hickwell Lake.
We're gonna intercept this again. Why not?
Be sheltered on that one.
I definitely probably got a few new hail dents.
Severe thunderstorm warnings. We've got a big one out here for
100%.
Van Buren and Washington counties with 70-mile-per-hour winds coming in. We
Wouldn't be
also got a
surprised.
70-mile-per-hour
Good lightning,
wind,
too.
severe thunderstorm warning for Dane, Greene, and Rock counties out here in Wisconsin. Madison, you kind of threaded the needle so far, but the storms are getting closer to you, so we'll talk about you soon. Let's talk to Andy again.
From the south northwest of Broad River, Illinois. The last few scans of the Milwaukee River, you can watch that quote start to wrap up into itself, and that's definitely a dramatic evolution there.
We're gonna go for intercept number 2 on this.
Pretty close to that adapted Moscow area north of Rock River.
This tornado warning is enough to
Tornado could be intense to its rise, and it could be a longer tracking as far as nothing that we're having. The rate itself is not much tornado warning.
PBS turnaround in Marathon County, Wisconsin. Marathon County, Wisconsin, where the PBS turnaround, particularly dangerous situation, but confirmed turnaround, large dangerous turnaround on the ground. The Canal Town moved up towards Johnson, overtly, Snow, and the Marathon County Forest area right now. So everybody inside of this polygon right here is in an incredibly life-threatening situation. This is not a maybe tornado, this is the real deal. This is something that you do not want to be outside for. Okay, this is something that you're underground for. This is something that's devastating our community. So it's not your average tornado, and take shelter now.
I think that gust back there was 7. It had to have been. That was, I mean, it was right over the car, and the car's.
It does look like this storm's going to continue to get worse as it goes up towards Boston, Glasgow, south of the lake. You guys are all in the path of what could be a pretty damaging tornado here. I just don't.
Yeah, we're getting in the sunlight.
It's on the two. Continues to track this storm line. Unbelievable. We just watched a live tornado intercept in Winnebago County, but I need to talk to everybody living downstream because this thing is not going to let out. It's going to continue to be.
Wait, the wind's picking back up. We got water out there.
Do not assume that this storm is going to weaken as it moves east. It's a high temperature settle down in the atmosphere, and it's worked perfectly in such a way that it's going to continue to allow for a tornado to happen for a pretty long period of time. So we're going to watch this unfold as the storm moves off to the east, and we're not talking to get everything here.
I go back. I might do a U-turn and go back on that road. That road's all flooded. There's some flooding in the road right here.
West Liberty, I think, in Iowa. Take shelter now. This is an incredibly dangerous situation. Another dangerous situation over here in Boone, in Winnebago counties in Illinois. You guys need to be taking shelter right now. And then up here in Wisconsin, we still have that confirmed tornado on the ground near Burnhamwood in Anaheim, moving up towards Mattoon. Tornado on the ground right now.
I don't know if you can see that, but there's water in the road up, like right in front of me.
To our confirmed tornado down here near Poplar Grove. Again, I gotta talk to my friends out here near Rockton. Tornado is still down, I believe, moving up towards South Beloit and Rockton and Roscoe. Everybody over here needs to be sheltered. This is the storm that's coming at you. You don't want to get play around with this one. You can tell that this is a beast of a storm, still producing a tornado on its way out to Winnebago.
So it's north of 75. Right, yeah, so
the threat in Wisconsin is escalating.
I think the wind threat is now chilled. Well, I have a building blocks me too, but there's water going on the road right here in front of me.
I gotta go back down here to the Washington County area because man, this right here looks really bad. The tornado that's about to happen here south of Cologne, coming up towards Home Tree, is going to be a big tornado. We're encouraging everybody to take shelter. I do have a storm chaser on this, Brandon Montgomery. We'll see what he sees as he goes down Highway 218 to try to intercept that. And that's where the storm that all of our chasers are in. That's what's going to go next. And then also, we've got a tornado warning up here for Burnhamwood. This is another one with an ongoing tornado on the ground right now near Burnhamwood going up to Canada. Everybody up here needs to be sheltered underground. And then, of course, south of the Butte, Iowa, north of Macocata, we've got a tornado going right now for the Butte, Jackson, and James counties as well. And then we're going into the
There's still probably 50 mile per hour winds.
The Thunderstorm hitting Kansas City right now. We've got winds, hail, we've got the whole 9 yards. And we've got people Obviously,
Oh yeah, these are the second part of it.
Kansas City. We've got some birds hoses here. Just one quick call. I think it's busy there. I can't roll out on this all day. Don't park under the overpass. Don't use it as an umbrella. Don't shelter from a tornado under the overpass. That is not a smart thing to do. It's dangerous and it puts everybody in danger. We did get a tornado warning for Johnson, Miami, and Cass counties in Missouri. This is south and east of Kansas City. Down here between Auburn and Belton, there's your rotation. Coming up towards Jordan, Raymore, Greenwood, and places like that. Lee's Summit is included inside of this
You can see there's water. It's over the road right in front of me.
This is what it looks like in Kansas City right now.
Oh, a house. I didn't even see. I forgot there's a house right there.
That's what's going through the city of Kansas City right now. And we've got a channel camera over here that allows us to see some of this too. From the last HQ. So Kansas City, this is going to keep going on for a while. It's just started. A flash flood point is going to develop as well. We got a flash flood warning. This whole area. So that's going to be the next thing that you're going to hear about.
Take a picture. Oh fuck! I didn't mean to do that. Shit. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna block that.
As the previous tornado would be already in this Kansas State land. This is something we can look at as a down process, and then the tornado will come up to the surface tonight. So we do need to watch that hook as it spins and starts to curl up. That's the next part of the process that would indicate that we are seeing tornado genesis with the formation of a tornado.
We do have front row seats to this from Corey Gilpin's point of view. He's pointing us right at the new tornado that's going to be trying to form here as it goes from Illinois into Wisconsin. Downstream, all the way up there towards Delaware and Elkhorn and Wisconsin, I'll be watching it. We'll be getting ready. We're not under a warning yet, but you probably will be here soon. So just go ahead and get ready for that. We do have Boone and Winnebago counties under a tornado warning now, and we're going to continue to keep point. We'll be able to get in the shelter up there, underground, or at the lowest floor of the stone building with as many lights between you and the outside world as possible. And that's the best thing to do there. And we do also continue to have a tornado forming here between Corona and Lone Tree in Iowa. That's moving up towards west Virginia, and that's going to go on for 42 more minutes. And we can't forget, of course, about our destructive severe thunderstorm now. So even if you don't get hit by a tornado here, we've got 90-mile-per-hour winds coming in. Look at this. That's 90 miles per hour. That's rare. You don't see that every day. I've got a viewer here that says I'm right in the path, pretty calm, but the green is here. Yes. You are in a very life-threatening situation. If you're the person that sent me this message, recognize me. You are in a very dangerous situation, one of the more dangerous situations that we've had all day. They just issued a new tornado warning for you too, and it's confirmed. You've got a tornado on the ground heading right for your house. This is not a joke. This is actually a real bad situation for you. For my viewer here that just tuned in from this area right here near Riverside. This is an unbelievably dangerous situation for you. Take shelter immediately. You got to get underground. You cannot be in the living room for this. You cannot be in the living room. You can't be in an outbuilding. You can't be in the garage. You can't be, anywhere other than underground or at the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
I'm not
Big time
blocking
tornado
everything.
on the ground heading right for your house right now. That goes for you as well. If you're in Lone Tree and West Liberty, you guys all need to be taking shelter right now. Additionally, back down here in Kansas City, to the south of the main metro area, we've got a tornado warning right now for Cass and Jackson counties. This includes Lee Summit. Rotation is currently going over Belton, and it's going over towards Raymore. Somebody over here said, thanks for the great coverage. You're welcome. You're also in a pretty dangerous spot here. Just make sure you're getting into your safe spot. I'm not trying to scare anybody. I'm not trying to stir up anybody's anxieties. You know what I'm saying? But this is actually a really, really dangerous situation. I'm trying to make sure I'm using my words correctly to adequately promote the idea of, getting to safety and stuff like that. So West Liberty, you guys are still under a tornado warning. And then we also have a tornado warning continuing for Boone and Winnebago counties out here in Illinois. And that hook just keeps on dangling. Okay, we'll see what happens. Like Andy said, if we see it start to curl up. Right now it's kind of straight. The hook comes kind of straight. If we see it kind of curl up, that's when you know that it's going to produce another tornado. But thankfully, once again, we can see in real time here what the storm looks like from Corey Gerken's point of view. This is the part of the storm that would produce a tornado if we were going to get one. Yeah, a little bit of anxiety is a good thing for sure.